And then what in a bro? What do be our wedding a bro?
What did I better read? Into the
$1,000. Let me say about my figures now. Just about 1,500 people have been validated and
branch organizers and constituency organizers.
Because time I registration. Why you say we this no power? It you because MP register women when I go show me. Because you both say registration time. Time you registration be here.
What's the list with that 20?
Opposite we program.
Because
Casabia, obviously for my
only Bibia cost, only Bibia can't know. And I'm finding what can the area. So we are mechanics maker. They make a difficulty. Me difficulty. That's all my casa. Me difficulty. You know, for want of a better, a mere panelist. For the purpose of that discussion, why MP Subin, Honor Project,
not say minister,
deputy minister.
That's the fraud.
Until you never be watch and me.
That reason I can say it's here. No, Becan will have BI politics for the Uncofunia and say market, no, get the Bema, no Macacotonia, we produce a policy in oil. Gross oversimplification. You know what you know. As a call ya, I was a call away. Take it away. No, I want to say all the truth. I go to confetti, no better chance. I'm rally. I can't want to take it. A buy gun, a buy. A funny mlash be German or Jibusia. Sika usually the way and this are buying. I call your project way. Tiki, a busia, I call you see trio. When I'm with you, you want me a fancy market. You're Korean. Then I'm with the Kenkeno. That's what any Kenken and Minister of Finance say, Omudi, local food, Omudi local food. Kenkene and Chenam Namoria. You did be saving now. Time near Casas. Debbie, who man Casa? Debbie, not me, not a person. It is like time shops in 800. And 8,004, 800, bisa. It be a like a utility area, hospital, clinic, police station, and then say a 18 can once. And shops now, Kasaka be 8,200 something. If it's we say back and being about money now, because you don't want to say you meeting all the commands, 5 MPs now. I can. What you say, Mensha South, Mensha North. Subi Bantima Ishesu, Mensha South and Quantum Mama, being in Eho, Numushiai, to make me briefing BPA, and we really know. You know, Sangophone club, Nadia. I'm just to see Bia, according to Papa, or Tan Nedian. Into a car warm one. Ebia no Bia Sablete. What I say, and saying you might between the two parties, no. And you see a more time, no meaning into a dinner, no more question on very more, if a time to so. So one to one said, "Dear, uncle, the end of the own uncle or the man I know because as you see, you are phase 2, no. Say you want to send on this one. You want to send pan. Say the people 6,000. Oh yeah, hey, what? That's not what honorable. And I was as you say, and then the penugum. And a big crowd on the store will be so cross and I said, near my way. Damn it, you dream. It is say, a crowd you boa. You dream money in that go, money in our only having called. So say any face. I said, second face, no, you almost go drill with me. Now, force of one across on the boat 3,000. Over food's line. Oh, I make cable san I move. Food of one or crab. They don't count. Make cable san so it's only a bit dreadful. So I see face 2, no. Say a face, the best I could see Muntakahono. His circles as a face, a cosa. Aha, 80. Yeah, can like I say, you be independent, be a can we one year, I don't know. That is a can. I'll take a room organizer 7. And yet, because the Paco say the more Magas quiet, you want to grow. Oh, that's it. It's topic. You better cross when you win back. Oh, young can with the youth organizer about your friend. A friend of Mildred Affle. I'm doing our friend Iffy. Or so ring my bed any fee. And she will say, Kufu out of pencil. What Because we can't chill, man. Now ring my bell. I see the whole and the whole.
Wait, Naburu. Because me, I mean, Naburu. And now also or dressing me.
I know who's coming. Why are the better man?
The invoice, man.
Enti, Mr. Tike, on a waka and some nina, but
what man of crime?
Yen excuses and be
okay.
At Dawson. 10 bia no the reasons for fraba. 10 bia no the reasons for fraba. Dear Kumase, a Yaminu Kumase. Yinuyam man, Yinuyam mema, and the deep gap.
Honorable Kofi Ghana, Semen Kanjo said, Kofi project 99%,
on call on free give alcohol on what to buy.
Oh,
what's in the fire?
The one the announcement.
Oh, forgive our question. Yeah, no one's going to
I don't need go to there. Anyway. Huh?
And then
I can fit the photos. I Peter, I praise well over photos. No, Ghana phone go to party.
Mr. Tike.
yes.
Very well
agree with
now and say omo be katasumu mu aso enam se nkofo bi amatrochom di no mo gedi amamu sana room a ekoso ho no no nkofo be from some person
in fact other things in kra ho a ebre wan ke bi am mebisa because na no me yankofo bi fi mase ba me nchen ye di nkomo mo kaka
omo person mo je efri nkofo ansam na ye de ma MPP mo organize na youth organize enti e besere to nya ka nya sa ade ba organizer so onye bi ma no de agi bi ma no ketike
on na kwa kwagina dia
de course wo miniban so
wo de ma hwe bi e
de ketike de course wo miniban no time enye fe etase condemn enya de papa eni kwanse so afano ni mienu nyina so emra enye dwuma
ya
emra ye hwe ne emra nya dwuma ne enya titintintin because say ya ma emra anya dwuma msetike o mai bibie no haye ye be eye no kre se court awuru se e bia asomesi ana obenten onkonkofa ne putu ana na no kre se court wuru ye no ono abetumi de ne pe akoko so akwaje ne putu ana
menim se court bia
wuru so yes ana me some questions na me busa me se eye no kre
all right okay
se yes obi eye no kre se andokrase
o be am na atima okay asime so ka se okay ni ye pa na
andokrase court awuru bibi se ayi vice chancellor be konkofa ne post ara na andokrase se ye wuru mpo a o tumi se ono abetumi asore de ne pe akotku mu oto akofa na ya na na ye no kranso se wa make attempt so percent ye wuru ama no a o pese woko no ko tekina ya prevent no ana sani ma we nyina ese hwehwem
yeah
patron de me patire no because the information yenya afenyo market kraka say no krese ye wuru ama voka
o kan da ben
oh wakana with several platform you and I don't know and then 3 days call kata or Joy FM
because enra me tie no
utie no
okay tell them business o kan
me mate nansem bebre meninu so achi akura
o de menim ne say de menim say de ogina aso ntia o so wo ko ne say yoko a clear no professor advocate
so
we court asem say court say yoko a clear no there
so say high court
say advocate asem o kan no say yoko a clear no say yoko a clear no there and ye na oba be fa na ko
na nya no correct
but wasem na wo kan no me say ne kwan so a no say ye mamra enye adwuma se mpo se na tie mpo aye okwan e fa so e em se no na wunua na o kan no enra no Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe se mpo ye bua ma wa ye mfa akotimsem na ko
na e no kran to se ye bua ma no a o mie kwam no konkwa na adwuma because no na o tie de
ye bua ma obi ehia so bi bi kwam
ti ye bua na de ona bona po enso kana se de ofua afubroni so ese o ye bibia prensi ono na ye yi no akusu advocate because kwan ye fa to advocate
for yin dey go so aba
kwan ye fa so to advocate
we dey green book o we dey live and color
kwan ye fa so to advocate
green book
enye papa
hwe kun fi
ye chinchimu mra no ye chinchimu ne nza ano no so afa opportunity ano de akọ ana ya clear no enti se bibi o ha na ponso no omo tena
aboma ne gu
na enti asenya djuma but o jampo from one radio station to another radio station no o ka say we before we say
next week
o say asam no na ponya akasa o say asam no na potia na no de kasa no na nye
next week we pineapple juice am na no
ekunfi onya na oma
ekunfi fact na kwaku ujitum say ni
me de me hu ante say me kwa enya no kure enya no kure until say me kwa kohwe we photoshop anoma ya
no organize na me no me
ya mine ebusa no te no kura because na say wo
na chipa no nya kan no te
abe nya kofi no
oh god yes what's your photoshop
me until say me kwa kohwe
me say organize me no me nsa
na ka be se
oh you betumi akọ ene week ye wie ya na ato
okay yeah cameras ko
ayo me nsa obi am fa ba bia
dari waka na camera cameraman team ye komra
Dabi kwa
what's your photoshop
kwa ku ye de wo ka na be ko ona bu ka hwe na bibia fa ni so ya fa be foforo
awu za dige
ado de akọ fa be nti ya wo de wo ka na be ko well abisa form say ye de we say
ona bu ko figa na ho no watwa de asend o sisi a
na bi
oh ko figa na ojo
MD for you so she ho
ananya na nse won ka say nkomo mu nya 70 years ya bam
na ho ya 70
na ni di um na ko ye de ya prema santa mai for papa ana mu jaye ye mrs obu nim na santa mai ko fu e wa ba we wo papa mo ade a ye de be je wo mo
man papa
ana mu jaye ko papa mo na na do e for mo nya 67 68 for no de abuja ko na do
man kwa na
mo nyina ya santa reje for ti wo for no keke sapo go figana me of ase John me of ai nyano na say I don't know of ase John because onum ni age no no mo nim ni age no nya o buza no say ye ko wo no wafuom enti ma me no so anu kente mu ba ye na je say ko buza na nza
okay so John good morning we buza fam fa che kumase for yesia sa de be
ko figana so bi sia na da no a wase ko gu afen me net statu o na so ko a tu o say do ko
I don't know de no so this is the true I will be asem
ala te di be say na you born am
na you born am ba ku me beka minim sa menka menya
ja
ye ko ofa no maka well once again the family of Oba Penny Ifua Abahuma your friend Auntie Mary Okran we free mu na amabusu anyina yakọ she was the dear grandmother of Mame Yamu Akunyama of Growth Intelligence. You and the family have our condolences. Papa ya otiwe ya o sharing in my bell no the friend no Anthony Kokubwai
but now they are to Sunday Bofaki for now
osubo kata ni
Anthony Kokubwai
hey
and Eugene Boache entry Subin wa Kokumasi bia one of the places I was okofwe on Subin okofa ho obekwa ku
aso otimi ka so obekuma so anfa Subin
sadet ye okwa bisa asafo ana
oye na ya befa
okra ma usare uta light na odu Subin na wo pie so a ofa bekwa abata o pie Subin
nanu mi hu se Subin okọ ofi labor ekọ amako junction ho a obi wo fufu pavement no so unhu ye o
Debbie
okay
pavement so pa
labor ho no
one of ana say be one ho
minim say mo
obi cho ba na
mse ti kon say I do ha eson a mo no mo de wodro keto ni bi ati into obi frɛ wo mo a no odro no ya no o ma wo no fie dada ana mo de agu no no bi no mo ye
no mo so wadro no so
o Debbie wodro keto ni bia entire so obi
na we gonna so no
fra ha
men kind size no
bakwa na wo say
yes sabi no me
say bibi cause
me bebre me hu bibi
bakwa me say bibi cause all right we say for the we na say we page mo tena me had me be san share bi Mrs. Vivian Obeng Arthur is your birthday today. You live in Kumasi, you are a friend. Have the loveliest birthday ever. You page mo tena me had me be san share bi